Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this detailed troubleshooting guide for DTC P0344, which indicates an intermittent interruption in the Camshaft Position Sensor A circuit on a Honda CR-V 2023 and newer models. The Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP Sensor A, plays a critical role in managing the engine's timing and performance by monitoring the position of the camshaft in relation to the crankshaft. When the engine runs, the sensor relays information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which adjusts fuel injection and ignition timing accordingly. If the PCM detects a discrepancy between the expected and actual signals from the sensor, it generates the P0344 code and illuminates the check engine light. This guide will help diagnose and resolve the issues related to this DTC effectively. The P0344 code points to a malfunction involving the Camshaft Position Sensor A, which is essential for the engine's timing control. The CMP Sensor A is located near the cylinder head, and it monitors the rotation of the camshaft to inform the PCM about its position. This is vital for optimal fuel injection and ignition timing. The CMP pulse plate A, which is integrated with the intake camshaft, is another important component, as it generates the signals that the CMP sensor reads. Lastly, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, receives this data and makes necessary adjustments to the engine parameters. If there is any interruption in the signal, the PCM registers it as a fault. Several factors can lead to the P0344 error code. A faulty CMP sensor A is a primary suspect, as it may fail to send the correct signals to the PCM. Additionally, loose or damaged connectors between the CMP sensor and the PCM can interrupt the signal pathway, causing the PCM to detect an abnormal condition. The CMP pulse plate A, integral to the camshaft system, can also wear out or become damaged, leading to failed signal transmission. Each of these components plays a crucial role. Understanding their functionality is key to diagnosing the issue accurately. When the P0344 code is triggered, the driver may experience various symptoms. Typically, engine misfire or a rough idle occurs due to improper fuel injection timing. The check engine light will illuminate, giving a visual indication that the vehicle's onboard computer has detected a problem. Drivers may also observe poor acceleration or overall diminished performance, particularly if the vehicle struggles to maintain proper engine timing. These symptoms serve as critical indicators that direct troubleshooting efforts toward the Camshaft Position Sensor A and its associated circuits. The first troubleshooting step for DTC P0344 begins with starting the engine and allowing it to idle for at least 10 seconds. This duration is necessary for the engine management system to self-check and establish stable conditions. Following this, the next action is to monitor the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for the presence of DTC P0344. The HDS will provide real-time data from the vehicle's onboard system, including the onboard diagnostics (OBD) status. If the code appears after following these actions, the procedure confirms the persistent issue requires deeper investigation into the corresponding components. The second step involves test driving the vehicle for several minutes, ensuring that the conditions mimic those under which the initial DTC was recorded. It's essential to maintain the engine and vehicle speeds consistent with previous driving patterns that activated the DTC. During this time, you will again monitor the HDS for the presence of the DTC. This helps determine whether the problem persists under normal operating conditions and may reveal additional parameters, such as engine speed or vehicle dynamics, that contribute to the issue. Capturing data during these critical parameters is vital for a comprehensive analysis. In this step, a thorough inspection of the connectors for the CMP Sensor A circuit is performed. This includes checking for a secure connection and ensuring there are no loose terminals. The next focus is on the PCM connector, which is the brain of the vehicle's engine management system, processing data from various sensors, including the CMP sensor. Any signs of wear or corroded terminals at these connection points can significantly affect the sensor's functionality and lead to intermittent signal issues. Taking the time to ensure these connections are solid is pivotal in resolving the P0344 code. The subsequent troubleshooting step involves inspecting ground connections at both the engine and body. Grounding issues can lead to ineffective operation of the CMP sensor and may result in the P0344 code. Fixing these connections requires checking terminals for oxidation or corrosion, ensuring clean and secure grounds. Good grounding ensures proper sensor functionality and reliable communication with the PCM. Without reliable signals grounded correctly, the entire system can malfunction, solidifying the need to address this aspect effectively. In this step, a visual inspection of the CMP pulse plate A is crucial. Begin by removing the cylinder head cover to gain access to the pulse plate, which is integrated with the intake camshaft. Look for any signs of looseness, damage, or wear that could affect signal transmission. It's vital to ensure that the pulse plate is intact and not compromised, since any physical defects may impair the operation of the CMP sensor. Following this inspection, if any abnormalities are found, corrective action is necessary to prevent further issues. This final troubleshooting step involves a comprehensive inspection of the CMP Sensor A. Its previous tests confirmed that other components were functioning correctly. It is reasonable to conclude that the CMP Sensor A itself may be faulty. Inspect the sensor for physical defects while ensuring its connections and terminals are secured. Testing the sensor using specialized equipment can provide data regarding its operational status. If the sensor fails to meet the manufacturer's specifications, it is deemed the likely cause of the P0344 DTC. After completing the necessary repairs, it's essential to clear the DTC using the HDS and then conduct a test drive to confirm the repair's success. Clearing the DTC resets the onboard systems, allowing them to monitor for any reoccurrence of the error. After the test drive, it's critical to revisit the HDS to confirm that the P0344 code does not reappear. If the error code is absent, this indicates that the issue has been resolved and the system is functioning properly again. Keeping a record of repairs and any findings during the verification phase can be beneficial for future diagnostics. Preventive maintenance plays a pivotal role in avoiding issues like the P0344 code from arising again. Regular inspections of all electrical connectors associated with the CMP sensor can help identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or looseness that obstruct signal transmission. Additionally, ensuring that both engine and body ground connections remain secure ensures reliable operation of all electrical systems. Implementing routine diagnostic system checks can also serve to catch potential issues before they manifest into errors like P0344. A proactive maintenance schedule could greatly extend the lifespan of engine components. In conclusion, troubleshooting DTC P0344 is a detailed process that requires an understanding of each component's role in the engine management system. From the CMP Sensor A to the PCM, knowing how these elements work together helps in accurate diagnostics. The importance of thorough inspections cannot be overstated, and every step should be meticulously followed to ensure the fault is accurately identified. Additionally, implementing a routine maintenance strategy will help in preventing similar issues from arising in the future. Ultimately, this guide not only assists in fixing the current problem, but also equips users with knowledge for long-term vehicle health. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.